So to install Python, we have to first download the Python software. So you in the Google just type Python download. That will take you to the python.org downloads page. Just click on this. It will take you to the download page where you will see the latest version of Python. You just click on that, download Python, the latest version. Then .exe file will be downloaded. Just download that. Once that is downloaded, just go to the folder, then double click on that. The bottom one, what you see here, add Python 3.10 to path. This has to be enabled. Make sure this has to be enabled, otherwise we cannot execute our Python programs from command line. So enable this, then click on install now, then click on yes. Wait for the installation to complete. It takes about a minute or two. Doesn't take much longer. Okay, you'll have to see this page that setup was successful. Okay, then you can close it. Then we should verify whether our Python is installed successfully. So when we install this Python basic editor called IDLE will be installed. So you can go to start and search for IDLE. You will find this IDLE which we installed, that is 3.10 version. Click on that. It should get opened. So if you just type print hello world, and it should get executed like this. This means our Python has been installed successfully. This is one way of verifying. So there is one more way we should verify, that is from command prompt. So you just have to type Python version. So that will confirm whether the Python has been installed successfully, and it will also give the version number. Okay, if we don't enable that add path to Python version to path in the initial stage, this won't work. Okay, that is the reason we should enable that. That's how we install Python. Now let's install PyCharm. Just again go to Google, type PyCharm download. You will see a website called JetBrains. So this is the official website of PyCharm. Click on this link, then it will take you to download page. Here you will see the different operating systems, so choose according to your operating system. Then you have to select the community version. The professional is the licensed one. We have to select the community, which is free. Click on the download. Save it again. It will download the .exe file. file is little long bigger, so it's taking little time. Now my file is downloaded. You just double click on this file. Then click on yes. So click next. So this is the old one. If you have any old one, you can uninstall that. Otherwise you can just leave it as it is. Click on next. Again click on next. So this is a desktop shortcut. If you want, you can just enable this. Then click on next. Then click on install. So it will start installing. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to install. Now the setup has been completed. So you can click on this to run this software, otherwise you don't need to enable this. So I'll just enable this and finish it so that PyCharm will be opened. Yeah, so this is first time, it will ask you to confirm the agreement. Just click on that, click on continue. It takes time in the initial stage when we are opening for the first time. So it will try to open the existing projects if you have any. So we don't want to open that. Click on the new project. So you just keep the new project name whatever you would like to. I'll just keep proj1. You just click on previously configured interpreter. Then don't check the bottom one. Then just click on create. So that will create the folder. So right click on this folder. So some background process is running. Let's wait for that to finish. Yeah, right click on it, then choose the Python file. You can choose the name, anything you can choose. I'm just choosing hello world, then click enter. Make sure Python file is selected. Now our hello world.py, that is Python file, has been created under our project 1. So here you can start coding it. So let's put hello world. Once it is completed, you save the file with Ctrl S. Then you can right click on anywhere in the page. Then you can choose this run file in Python console. Again some background process is running. Let's wait for that to complete. Yeah, finally you see hello world has been printed. This is how we install PyCharm and we write the programs of Python in PyCharm. I hope this is really helpful. Thanks for watching.